IM analyzed the invention of mobile phone history through IM strategy of voice technique. V means vision. The IM vision in future analyze the mobile industry. Before 1983, there is no mobile invention. This was making thousands of questions in my mind. Why there is no invention before 1983? 1983, the normal phone entered in the market. I don't want to mention the brand names because everyone knows about the type of brand in the market. It's a normal phone. 1983 entered in the global market. And after that, black and white mobile entered in the market in the year of 2000. Till 2010 and 11, internet mobile command the global market, and one brand is leading the entire global. I mean to say, globally they're ruling the brand. Now, nowhere the name is not coming in the picture. When you say any brand name, the country name will come first. The credit always go, invention credit always go, the country name. So, till 2010 and 11, the brand ruled the world. Now, you know the position of the brand. And after that, another brand captured the market, not only the technology. The earlier one ruled the global till 2010-11. They also have a technology. There is no innovation power, strong enough innovation power. The other brand captured. After that, 2015, digital mobile coming in the market. After that, 2020, 5G mobile. See, the technology always upgrading and modification brand to brand, then only you can hold the global market. So technology always depend on upgradation modification. Only the trend will be changed because of the new innovation concept. So 2021, the IM, the new innovation concept changed the trend for tomorrow world. IM object invented by Six Sense. I mean, IM products, IM app, IM mobile, IM website, IM personal device, IM security system. These five product invented by Six Sense of inventor, IM inventor. Its advantage is ratio 99.9 and disadvantage is 0.01 percentage. The advantage is total new trend innovation idea, interesting concept, new trend to catch the global market, and the result of high revenue. Of course, it's challenge to other brand and easy to user friendly access. And disadvantage is very less percentage for privacy related issues. IM Immutable web network, it's totally different network. IM products interlink connected to IM server. In that IM app, IM website is a connecting operation support platform. IM app is more convenient and easy access through mobile. IM website, it's operating support of the desktop. There's three IM mobile, IM personal device, IM security system with the support of IM app to connect to IM server. IM app is a very important play role. These three IM mobile, IM personal device, IM security system in the operation. This entire product connect to the interlink connection with IM server. IM counter to business have three key points. Key point one is the core concept value. Rest of the key points number 2 and 3 is supporting concept value. Key point number 1, identify yourself and others. Individual person face value. Invention versus individual. These points all behind the human face value. The human face value will measure special attention, special care, and the advantage different from the others. Key point number 2, challenge to breaking issues and support to other business growth. Less investment, high revenue. These are supporting to other business economic growth. And third key point, country economic growth and your community growth, finally your growth. These are supporting entire global community in many ways. IM voice technique, the last one is expectation with you or your team. As an inventor, the expectation is one side, patents and royalties and employee contribution, the final expectation of IMUGM priorities. On the other side, looking for strong platform of any firm or government support for the new innovation concept for tomorrow world. I hope you understood the outline of IM platform invented a human face value which is linked to commercial business through the new innovation concept. Shortest explanation. More details and further communication for visiting our website or email www.imugam.com or email info@imugam.com. Thanks for your valuable time. Simply says tomorrow world.